What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite tech wizard, Matthews Academy, back with another unboxing that'll make you wish you had a magic credit card. Today, we're diving into the iPad Air 6, the Apple Pencil Pro, and some accessories that I might have splurged on because let's be real, what's an iPad without the cool gear to go with it? Let's get into it. Of course, opening this thing requires the strength of Thor and the patience of a Jedi. Oh, there it is, folks. The iPad Air 6 in all its glory, thinner than my patience during a software update and smoother than my pickup lines, or so I'd like to think. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. I'm half expecting angels to start singing. Folks, the iPad Air 6 in all its glory, thinner than my patience during a software update and smoother than my pickup lines, or so I'd like to think. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. I'm half expecting angels to start singing. Now, what's an iPad without a little armor, right? We've got the case because who wants to live on the edge? Not this iPad, I can tell you that. And don't forget the tempered glass, because I'm not trying to have a mini heart attack every time I drop this thing. Applying tempered glass is like doing surgery. You're trying to be so careful, and then oh no, there's a bubble. Great. Well, if anyone asks, it's a feature, not a flaw. Next up, we've got the Apple Pencil Pro because every artist needs their magic wand. This thing is so precise, it could probably draw the Mona Lisa in paint, okay? Maybe not, but it's close. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it's basically the Jedi lightsaber of the digital world. Now, let's give it some armor too, because, I like my tech safe and stylish. This silicone case is like a cozy sweater for your pencil, keeps it warm, keeps it snug, and most importantly, keeps it from rolling off your desk like it's trying to escape a boring meeting. Now for the moment of truth, let's see how these two play together. Will they be a match made in tech heaven, or will I be calling tech support by the end of the day? Oh wow, it's smooth, it's responsive, and it's making my doodles look like I actually know what I'm doing. I might just quit my day job and become a professional doodler. Is that a thing? And there you have it, folks, the iPad Air 6 and the Apple Pencil Pro with all the trimmings. If you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed making it, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what I should unbox next. Until next time, keep it techie, keep it classy, and don't forget to protect your gadgets because they're probably worth more than your car.